But it's a good thing.
Yeah, rain is always positive, especially when we live in the desert, you know. It's always hot and we have those drought conditions, but you know, I've been talking about this sunshine. You just saw on the camera, plenty of sunshine, and it feels great outside right now. 88 here in El Paso, 84 in Las Cruces, and 82 in Alamogordo. But you know what? We are gonna get hot today. Check this out. 96 is the forecasted high for today in El Paso. 95 in Las Cruces and 92 in Alamogordo, 94 in Sierra Blanca, and you know, you're seeing this little storm icon. Well, a couple of us will be seeing rain, but the good news is most of us will be staying dry. Here's a look at our future track model, and we'll see a couple storms pop up over our area mountains by 2 p.m., but the good news is that most of this moisture is gonna be off to our east. So we'll notice these storms are gonna mainly stay to our east, and it looks like as for El Paso and Las Cruces, we're going to stay dry for the rest of this afternoon. Now, you know, the daytime heating always helps fuel these storms, so once it goes away, these storms are going to go away as well. Tomorrow morning, we'll notice a couple clouds in the sky, but you know what? You're going to want to do your yard work early on because we're going to have another afternoon with a better chance for some rain. So these storms are going to start out around the mountains, and they will help other storms form, and we could see better coverage. We could see a couple thunderstorms popping up near El Paso, so we'll notice some heavy downpours associated with these storms and gusty winds as well. Those storms will go away by late tonight, or late tomorrow night, excuse me. So today, most of us will be staying dry, but we're keeping it at a 20% chance of rain throughout the next several days, so there's a good chance you might see rain one of these days, but not like consecutive days. So for tonight, we're going to be at 94 still by 7, cooling down into the middle 80s by late tonight. It's going to be a wonderful night if you want to head out. 96 is our high today, 97 tomorrow, and we're going to see that moisture keep coming back. But once again, some of us will see rain on some days, others will not see rain. And you know what the good news is? We'll see a little bit cooler temperatures by the beginning of next week.